a quick iWeb tutorial on how to make kind of an intro video page to your website. So if you've made a video that says like welcome to my website or something, if you want it on your first page to start playing and stuff like that, I'll show you how. First, you're going to want to have a page for it. So I'm just going to add a blank page and drag it above your welcome page, so it'll be the first page that shows up, or whatever page you have first, drag it above that. So here's our page. The problem is you have this navigation bar. You don't want to show that. I mean, you can if you want, but I don't recommend that because of what I'm going to show you. So go to your inspector, and under the page tab, uncheck display navigation menu. Also, if you use iWeb's navigation menus, I don't, but if you do, you should uncheck include page in navigation menu so it won't show up. So it looks a lot plainer now. You can delete this line up here, and you can design a header or something. I'm just going to write welcome. Okay, so now you're going to want to insert your video. You can either use this media button here, or go to your finder, search for the video you want, and then drag it into your page. If it's more than 10 megabytes, the loading will be very slow. So you should try to compress your video as much as you can without losing the quality. Okay, so here's my video. But it's not really that cool because you don't want to come to a site and you just have this thing where you have to play a little video. So in the inspector, go to the QuickTime inspector and make sure your movie's selected. Now here you can choose to autoplay your video, loop your video, which means it'll play continuously, and then show the movie controller. I recommend not showing the movie controller, and looping can get annoying for some people, but that way it won't just turn to black when it's done playing. So now I have my video, and you wouldn't think it's a video. So you can size your video whatever way you want, sign your page, but not everyone's gonna want to watch the whole video. And not only that, if you come to this page where this is a video, there's no way to access the rest of your site, especially if you don't have the navigation bar displayed. So we're gonna add a skip intro button. You can make a button in Photoshop, or you can just make one really quickly in iWeb. So I'm going to go to my shapes and choose this rounded square. You can resize it to your liking, and double click to add text. I'm just going to write skip intro. You can make your text bigger or smaller by highlighting it and pressing Command plus, and you can center and all that, but then the button looks pretty plain, so you can just go to your inspector, under the graphics tab, change it to a gradient fill or an image fill, change the colors and so on, the opacity, all that. You can also add a shadow. And now we're going to want to make it actually link to something. So in your inspector, select the links tab and select enable as hyperlink. You want to link to one of my pages, or your pages, I guess, but it'll say one of my pages, and choose whatever page you want it to link to. In my case, I want it to link to the first page, which is welcome. So when you open your site, it should look like this. This little text box outline won't be there, it'll just say welcome. And it should start playing automatically. I'll just double click it to show you what it'll be like this. I have my volume turned off right now. And then you can click skip intro, and it goes right to your welcome page. So this was just a quick iWeb tip. If you have any questions about iWeb, my website, and specifically or anything else, then feel free to message me through YouTube or comment below. So thanks for watching, and more videos soon.